Hi everyone, my name is Risha. Today is the 13th of April 2024 and I'm going to be going over week 16's results for SPX's predictions based on option chain analysis. If you are wondering where these up, down, neutral views are coming from, definitely go view my channel since there are quite detailed videos going over the rationale behind each of these predictions. This week, however, SPX's prediction was that it stayed neutral, and in terms of the actual chart, this was quite true. Since we had taken a position, it would have closed pretty close to the actual closing price. Regardless, this week was neutral, so we wouldn't have taken any position, but it did reduce. Actually, SPX made a loss of 1.56%, so that has increased the alpha from 4.66% to 3.1% for this portfolio, whereas our cumulative P&L stays the same at positive 4.49%. So again, very short video going over the results of week 16's testing. Thank you for watching, enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.